don't believe this. The RV is in storage. We were in Florida 2 weeks ago. We went home for 2 weeks to work, and now we're back in Florida. So we put it in storage so we don't drive it back and forth. Somebody didn't have a checklist.
How'd you not have a checklist? You've got checklists for everything.
I don't know, but somehow I didn't write a checklist. So everything got shut off, everything got cleaned. Thankfully, the food got thrown away. But guess who forgot to leave the refrigerator door open? So,
oh no.
I know, no. I don't know what I'm working into. So, I now have a gas mask, goggles, plenty of caution tape, and this lovely piece of clothing that I'm sure is not going to be very comfortable to clean, I'm sure, a disgusting furry inside of the refrigerator.
Are we going to need to call the fire department for this?
Maybe. Although this gas mask looks pretty heavy duty there. It's got these big old pink filters, and something goes around my head and something goes around my chin, and I don't know. I hope it's not fuzzy inside. That's all I'm saying. I hope it's not fuzzy inside.
Or green.
Well, if it's green or fuzzy, I'm going to be happy this is going to be on, because I'm not going to be going...
Well, you know, you can take the car, and I'll stay here at the hotel. Well, let me know when you fumigated the RV.
You got to drive it from the storage lot over to the campsite where I'm going to have running water and hot water to clean the inside.
Did you buy 2 masks and 2 safety goggles and a hazmat suit?
Only one of each? Maybe tomorrow.
What are you going to be wearing?
Because
if I'm going and driving, I'm wearing it.
We're at the campground. Putting on my hazmat suit. Because who knows what the inside of the fridge looks like. Steve's behind the camera. I have a sneaking suspicion he's going to gag the moment I open it up.
I drove over wearing the mask and the safety goggles.
Oh my goodness.
Poor ladybug. She thought it smelled so good.
Oh, look at me. Woo-wee, look at this. Okay, it's hot.
Didn't affect the heater.
Taking my glasses off because I can't see. Putting this thing on my head. It's very weird. Can you hear me?
What?
Can you hear me talk?
Can't hear you.
I don't know how to fasten this thing. Here we go.
Don't make me laugh.
Okay. Okay, come on, follow me to the fridge. Look, my gloves match my mask.
You sound like Darth Vader.
Okay,
I'm holding my breath.